Hello. It's been a minute since I recorded a video, but here is my 1970s Kmart by Lakewood. Can't really see it. There you go. Kmart by Lakewood, p23. This is the first metal-bladed Lakewood box fan I've owned. I've had a what was it called? You know, the window fan. I had one of those once, but the grills were busted and the bearings were shot, so that fan got parted out. It was a garbage fan many years ago. It was also very rusty. So unfortunately, that one got parted out. Though, to be honest, I probably should have kept the motor, because it was a reversible Macmillan motor. I could have transferred it into something else. But those were different times. So anyways, here's this fan. This was an eBay acquisition a month or two, about 2 months ago, I think. I saw this on there. It wasn't crazy expensive, but it wasn't that cheap either. Shipping was reasonable, I'd say. Cleaned up great. I mean, the front guard is in perfect condition. There's no cracks, no broken slats or anything. The paint's good. There's no rust on the bottom, on the inside bottom of the cabinet. There's a little bit on the underside, which means that it's probably sat on some wet carpet at some point. Also, the rear guard has had some damage. In the listing, I saw there was some damage here, but luckily, or miraculously, those pieces were sitting inside of the cabinet, so I was able to glue those back in. But unfortunately, this guard received some shipping damage, and this whole corner here and all this up here was smashed in. Luckily, I was able to find all the pieces and piece it back together, except for two little pieces right there around the screw. But I was able to glue it back together. I also did a hydrogen bath out in the sun on the rear guard specifically, because it kind of needed it. It wasn't that bad, but I hadn't done that. People call it retro brighting or whatever, but you literally soak the plastic thing, you submerge it in water out in the sun or under any kind of UV exposure light thing, and in there you dump in a bunch of hydrogen peroxide. Although you'd want to use the higher percentage stuff, because the stuff that you get at the normal grocery store is like 3%, and that stuff takes forever to do anything. But it turned out great. I mean, it's all there, pretty much. Honestly, can't complain about the condition of that. Handle's in good shape. But yeah, I can't see it from there. But anyways, here's the label on the motor. See, it's even got the color codes on it. I like it when motor stickers have that. And then there's another code on the side of the motor I believe it says 494 H73 dash, or is that a dash? I think it's a dash. It's either B or 8. I can't tell. But yeah, the motor's in perfect condition. I was honestly surprised at how overall clean it was. The inside of the cabinet has zero rust. The paint's pretty much as good as factory, to be honest. I even saved a little bag, but I got rid of the tape that was on there in favor of a zip tie. Polish the blades, wax the cabinet. Yeah. Mirror shine. It's lovely. Yep. And there's the tag there. You can see the P kind of looks weird. That's because I accidentally dug into it with my pinky, with my fingernail there when I was cleaning the cabinet. So I glued it back on and I tried to trace it again. But minor detail. But yeah, like I said, the front guard's perfect shape. Anyways, start it up. Actually, unplug it from here. Okay. Let's see, it spins forever. So I'll start it on low. Classic metal blade Lakewood sound. A little bit of grill buzz. Beautiful runner. Medium. High speed. Shakes a little bit. It's a little bit out of balance. I haven't really done anything to balance it at all. But I've been using this every night for the last week or so. It's been a great little fan. Have it hooked up to my Variac that I keep here, my little variable power supply. And I normally set the fan itself to high. I'll run it around there. What's that about? 75, 80 volts. I like a slow speed. Not too harsh. It's nice to have a Lakewood box fan again. especially after I sold my S223. Anyways, that's it for me. Thanks for watching.